Hi everyone, Jay here. Welcome to my HostGator review for 2022. This is going to be specifically a review on HostGator's managed WordPress hosting solution. And what I'm going to be going over in this review is I'm going to be going over HostGator's plans, why managed WordPress, and you're going to be able to see inside my dashboard of my HostGator account and see how it's set up, how easy it is to use, how beginner friendly it is. And you can make your decision on if HostGator is right for you and your next hosting solution after watching this HostGator review for 2022. If you like what you see and you want to check out HostGator for yourself, the link to do so is going to be in the video description box below and in the upper right-hand corner of the video itself. And it's a discount link where you can check it out for yourself. And if you need any help setting up HostGator, you decide to go with HostGator after watching this video, shoot me an email at affiliatelessons@jaysonlinereviews.com and I'll help you out in any way possible to get you set up. Or if you have a question, just shoot me a message. So with that being said, let's dive into this review. So I'm on my HostGator dashboard, HostGator's main page here. This is the managed WordPress solution. And here's what it says at the beginning. Got WordPress on your mind? Grab the solution that's fast, more secure, and awesomely easy. Oh, take a free domain for a year too. You're welcome. That's their pitch for their front page. So you're going to get a free domain name with any of these plans here with your HostGator managed WordPress solution or hosting plan. And this one's 40% off. This one's 50% off. This one's 57% off. This is the one I have right here, the business plan. If you're just starting out, you just need one site. Starter plan's fine. If you got more than one site, actually two sites, you're going to go with the standard plan. I have the 5-site business plan. I'll show you in a minute here after I go through this because I have numerous sites that I run. Now, let me get this out of the way real quick. I've used GoDaddy in the past and Bluehost as well as some other hosting solutions. And I always come back to HostGator. I've always kept them because their customer service is absolutely excellent. I've ran into numerous problems throughout the years, not a lot, but a few, and I had to contact them, and they've been nothing but great on the phone, very helpful. I don't have anything bad to say about them. Like I said, I've had them for, I think my main blog's been around since 2019, so do the math, was that 13 years? And I've had the managed WordPress solution for, I think, a few years now. So it's relatively new, but I've had it for a couple of years, so I know how it runs. 2 to 3 years. I don't know the exact date I signed up, but it's been a while. But I've used HostGator for a long, long time, so I know what I'm talking about in this review. Customer service is absolutely excellent. They're based out of Texas, in Houston, Texas, and this company's been around for ages. So they know what they're doing. They're not going anywhere. It's not a fly-by-night company. It's a huge hosting provider. So with that being said, let me go back to this review here on the different plans for the managed WordPress solution. You got the starter plan, the standard plan, and the business plan. Starter plan gets you one site, 100,000 visitors per month, 1 gig of backup, free SSL certificate, which is nice. I think most hosting providers are giving this away for free, so it's not huge, but they got it in all their plans you get for free. Free domain name included. You have to buy a year plan for the free domain name, so let that out there up front. If you're going monthly, that won't be included. And here's the prices for it. $5.95 a month, very cheap for what you're getting. $7.95 a month for the standard plan, and the business plan is only a little under $10 a month. And you're going to get 3 sites, 500,000 visits per month, 3 gigs of backups, free SSL certificate, free domain name included. And you're also getting a bunch of cool add-ons with managed WordPress, which I'm going to get into right here. You're going to hit the ground running with WordPress already installed on your hosting account. So this is perfect for beginners. Advanced security. It's security for control freaks. Enjoy malware protection, site backups, and more. So you're going to have site backups included with it. I always have an extra site backup just in case. I don't like counting on one particular company for my site backups, but you do have that. So I got 2 actually, one through them, and then I got another one that I use. And that's on my recommended tools page on my site, jaysonlinereviews.com. You can check that out. It'll be the second link below in the video description box, but you don't need it. It comes with it. You got simplified control panel, scale resources, manage accounts, and more with our easy and dreamy control panel. Free site migration, so if you're using another web hosting provider, they can migrate your site over for free. And like I said, you're getting a free domain name included on packages of 12 months or more. So why WordPress hosting with HostGator? This is out of their words. I'm going to get into my words in a minute. More security for less. Your purchase of hosting comes with daily backup, site security, and more. More bang for your buck. Our WordPress hosting packages take the cake in features and value. Lightning speed will keep your page load speed freakishly fast. Your SEO will thank you. And it is fast. There is faster solutions out there, but it's definitely above average. And for the price, it's the best. It's the best out there. Like I said, I love HostGator. They've always been good to me. And it's easy to use their dashboard. So I can attest to that one. There are some that are a little bit faster, but you can pay a lot more money for them. So it's fast enough. You'll be happy with them, and your SEO is good. And there's other things you could do to speed it up as well. 45 guarantee. If you're not happy, we'll refund your hosting fees in the first 45 days. 99.9% uptime. I can attest to this. I'm using them over the years, and that's about correct. And then this is what I like about HostGator. You got 24/7, 365 days support. If you run into any problems with your host, you want to know you're having problems with the plugin, you want to ask a question about your bill, something's not working right on your site, you can call them up 24/7 and they will help you out, and it's included. It's free of charge. So take advantage of it. And like I said, they've been nothing but excellent to me over the years, so I can attest to their customer service. And this is another cool add-on you got with this, with Manage WordPress by HostGator. Level up your security with 3 free solutions. You get Site Lock Fix. You get protection from viruses and other bad guys with daily scans that download your site data, screen it, remove malware, and upload a clean version to your site. You get CodeGuard. It's like insurance for your website. Daily automatic backups. Keep your web files and databases secure. Plus access a backup at any time with one-click restore. Awesome. And like I said, a free SSL certificate. So you're not just getting web hosting, you're getting pretty much the whole enchilada. You're getting CodeGuard, Site Lock, SSL certificate. And what's good about, I told you what's good about HostGator so far, but what's good about Managed WordPress in general is you're getting all that site security with it. And with the WordPress solutions, the Managed WordPress solutions, it's hosting designed specifically for WordPress. So it's going to run better. You're going to have more security. All your plugins are going to be automatically automatically updated, so you don't have to do that. And it just takes a lot of the work on your part, the technical work on your end, so you can concentrate on, if you're a blogger or affiliate marketer, or you're running a small business of any kind, you can concentrate on creating content and let them manage your WordPress behind the scenes as far as updating your plugins, make sure your site is secure so you ain't got to worry about hackers, doing daily backups of your site, all that good stuff. So that's why Managed WordPress is great. Not to mention it's a lot faster than a conventional hosting site you're going to pay $2 a month for that's got millions of people on it. It's going to be slow as heck. You want something that's fast for SEO purposes nowadays because there's a lot more competition out there. And the speed of your website is one of Google's main ranking factors, so it has to be fast. And that's what Managed WordPress does, and that's what HostGator Managed WordPress brings to the table. It's a combination of you're going to be paying a low price, and you can't beat these prices for what you're getting. It's easy to use. I'm going to take you into that in a second, and you're getting all your security features. I'm going to take you into my dashboard right now and show you one of my sites and show you how HostGator Managed WordPress is set up. And then you can make a decision on if it's right for you or not. Logged into one of my sites here. Here it is. This is jorban.com. You can check it out. It's a local site. And these are my posts. This is a new site in the making. But this is how it's set up. All the plugins get updated within a 24-hour period usually. It's really quick, so you don't have to worry about it. They're going to get updated. Some of your theme updates you might have to do manually, which is like periodically. If you're buying a theme, I recommend a professional theme for your website, for your website or blog. There's a lot of good ones out there. I use on this site, what is it called here? I can't even remember the one I'm using on this particular site. Let me go and check it out real quick. I can show you. It's called B Theme. There you go. And this one is going to update within the next 24 hours or so. It's called Layer Slider. But I'm using B Theme. It's a WordPress theme where you can do like plumber websites, electrician websites. They're all done for you basically. And the theme is done for you. So you got hundreds of different niches you can, you check out. And then you pick one of the niches. What happens, whatever your niche is, you download the theme. And it's a professional, say it's on a plumber website. It's a professional plumber theme. And then you just make the changes from there. But it's called B Theme. And that's one of the themes I got installed. I use other ones. My main site, jaysonlinereviews.com, has a totally different theme. It all depends on what my site's about and what I'm using it for. But this is it. Very easy to use. Like I said, the plugins are updated manually. Security updates are, like I said, done fairly quickly. You don't have to worry about them. Just put them on automatic updates. You're good to go. HostGator is going to take care of that for you. Let's go into my dashboard here and see how this is all set up. This is inside my dashboard of HostGator. I've got 5 sites. You see I got a WordPress business, 5 sites. I think I got a deal on it, but that was what I paid for the 5 site plan for the year. Very good price for 5 sites. That's $30 a month, but I got 5 sites, and it's a good hosting solution, so I can't be happier with that. You're going to be paying a lot less, obviously, but that's what I'm paying for the 5 site one. And it renews in next year, April 28th of 2023, a little over a year from now. So these are all the sites. This is how it's set up. You got the WordPress admin. You got your cache settings. You got your email accounts, so you get free emails with it, which is nice. You got your code guard, your site lock, your SSL certificate. You can manage your FTP. It's set up real easily. So all you do is click on the WordPress admin, and it's going to log you into your site. From there, you can update your site. I'm logged in right here. I've got a cache plugin in here to make my site even faster. And you can, if you got a question about what cache plugin to use, you can shoot me an email, and I'll let you know what I use on my sites. And that's that. Let's go back here again. You got your marketplace. And click on that. There are no marketplace items for that. You got email and office, domains. These are all your domains. They're going to be listed under this one. Then your billing. So you can go into your billing and update. You want to upgrade your plan or do anything else. Pay for something that you want to pay for in advance, you could do that in the billing one. Support, you can send a support ticket. I don't send a support ticket. I always call them directly. And I usually call the Texas number, which is located in Houston, Texas. It's located, you'll see it on their website. And they got another number you can call as well to get in touch with the HostGator customer support team. But that's it. HostGator, these are all my different domains on my HostGator managed WordPress business 5-site solution or hosting. And that's it right there. And go back to this. But that's it. I don't know what to dive into anymore here. If you need help setting up your WordPress site, you decide to go with HostGator, like I said, shoot me an email. I'll help you out. Affiliate lessons at jaysonlinereviews.com. And I don't want this video to get too long, but like I said, HostGator is, I highly recommend them. They're what I use on my main blog, jaysonlinereviews.com, and 4 other blogs. You can see I got 5 of them. So love them. Been using them for years. Customer support is excellent. 24/7 around the clock customer support. You're running any problems, all you do is call them up, and they'll be glad to help you with it. The plans for beginners, it's some of the cheapest prices you'll find out there for what you're going to get. Like I said, you're getting a free domain name, free SSL certificate. You're getting daily backups of your site. A lot of web hosts don't offer the free daily backups. You're getting it included with any of these plans. They're all on sale now. You can check out my link directly below and check out this page for yourself. And no matter if you need 1 site, 2 sites, or 3 sites, they got you covered. You got the speed. Speed's great in all my testings with HostGator Managed WordPress solution. There are better speed sites out there, but they're near the top, above average, near the top. But as far as price goes, they're a heck of a lot cheaper than the other ones that they're going to charge you through the roof for it. So you got to take what you're going to get, what you get for the money, and this is the best all-around value for somebody just starting out that wants to save some money with the most bang for your buck. And like I said, it's going to be fast right out of the gate. You can always make it faster. You got free cache plugins out there and other stuff to do just that. So I'm very happy with them. Like I said, I've been using them for over 13 years now and couldn't be happier with them. So if you want to check them out, click that link below. Send me an email if you got any more questions on them, on HostGator, or if you have any question about WordPress in general, I'll be happy to help. And you can check out what they're including in all these plans down here as you go through the page. And that's it. So hope I covered everything. If you have any more questions, just shoot me an email or ask in the comment section below this video, and I'll be glad to help you out. So with that being said, thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you like this review. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.